Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Occidental Petroleum Corporation, and if you look at this long-term chart, what we have seen is all that stock upside which soars the price since 1999 till 2011, where the stock has given around 1460% of return, has been decimated in the past 9 odd years. And now if you look at the trend, it's basically a consolidated level. I'll show you how the trend has formed and how it is looking right now. Now this is your trend, this is your actual trend. What has happened, that the stock has moved since 1999 till 2011 and it has again fallen back. Meanwhile, the highlighted area, so this highlighted area is completely out of the focus for the time being, because the stock has fallen inside the consolidation zone which had been activated since 1981 till 2003, and again the stock falls back, again try to retest it and falls back again. So what has happened, that this big consolidated zone or zone of consolidation has been activated again. So what you need to do in this case is stay inside this range. Okay, just stay inside this range. When I am saying about range, then I am talking about this highlighted section. Okay, this section. So just stay inside this range. This is what you can do. Moreover, so to understand the important support and resistance level, so your immediate support will come at around $9.24. Then you have 8.29 on the downside. Further, it will go down to 7.16. So these are the three most important support levels which you need to take care of, because falling beyond $7 will open the downside and can lead to the price till zero, that we have to hypothetically think of. Okay, even it will go or not, that's not the question. Technically it should not go below 7.16, because this is the lowest price which the stock has seen in the year 1999, and if it falls below the range, below 7.16, then it will have a sharp downfall, and probably the least we could think of will be zero. Okay, now on the upside, your upside now get restricted till $19. Okay, so your first resistance of the target will come at around 15 odd dollars, then we have 19 odd dollars on the upside. And unless the stock moves and make a breakout above $19 and sustain over that, you cannot say that there is a breakout which has happened. Okay, so let the price moves above $19, make a breakout, sustain over that price. So we don't know whether there will be a consolidation or a immediate breakout, or in the breakout and then again it will fall down to retest the lows. We don't know about these things. What we do know, that unless the stock moves beyond $19 and stay above that, there will not be any fresh trend on the upside. So our trend will be restricted in this consolidation zone which I have been highlighted, where the downside is 7.16 and the upside is 19.09, and let the price decide where it want to go. And if you want to think or take a trade, you must restrict yourself between these zones where there are multiple support and resistance level available, which you need to think and taken care of. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.